Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Gold. Oh my goodness. Sean Paul is showing you guys, when you guys are freaking out over little numbers, we do this on a regular basis. And yes, they do. So there is rumors going around that Vybz Kartel was the first to do this and that in this arena and that arena in Europe. And that is absolutely not true. The first dancehall artist to pack this arena. That is absolutely not true. Sean Paul, Shaggy, Alkaline, Beanie Man, and others, including people like even Beres and so from the reggae scene, have also played in these venues, have also been headliners or have been guests in these venues, just like Kartel, and has packed the stadiums as well. Fighting over these numbers and who pack what is absolutely ridiculous, insane, and makes us look like fools. You guys need to cut this stupidness out. Fun fact, Alkaline kept the New Rules concert in Trelawny, which is his mother's hometown. If he really wanted to, he could have kept it in Kingston like he did before, which generated, people said, quote unquote, 30,000 plus crowd. It was the first time when Alkaline was 23 years old that someone in 20 years kept more than 20 years, kept a concert like that in Kingston, Jamaica. Give the youth his flowers. Like, you guys are just absolutely insane. Either way, let's get back to this. So Shaggy and them is showing you like, we've all contributed to dancehall. Show the respect. But hear what Burna Boy had to say, because Una make big things out of little things. Anyways, you guys remember to like, subscribe, and follow. Thanks for your support.
But the crowd is small.
Where are you guys calling me?
Is this how wireless is?
Yeah, we have to call now, Shana. We're after the wolf. It's a big festival. Let's do wolf here. Don't worry, baby. I got you.
If you didn't hear Burna Boy correctly, he was saying that this crowd is small. Like, what's this? He doesn't do this. So while a lot of people believe this is so amazing and this and that, to a lot of artists, this is just regular. And sometimes to them is an insult. So, just stop acting like we're not used to things.